Today we are going to be teaching Realtor 101, teaching you the mortgage perspective during a transaction. So now as a realtor, you'll be better informed from a mortgage perspective and be a better agent in this really competitive climate. And not just tell you what happens next, but actually identify terms, lingo, milestones, things that are really important once you get your customer an accepted offer. Think in your mind, how can I use this information to set a better expectation? How do you set the expectation? It's always the how. Like, tell me exactly how to set the expectation. So today you're gonna learn exactly how. You're gonna know what questions to ask. You'll be better informed when they ask you the question, what should I expect?